Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Well, we have about three news to render in one, and it's still on what went down in Ebonyi State. Quite a sad one, I must say. But before we go into the newspaper to find out what it is, the Southeastern senators are saying, and the Igbo formula that Ohaneze has told the Southeasterners to use, and of course, what a Yoruba very popular activist is telling the southeastern governors to do. We like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Okay, let's start with what the southeastern senators are telling the president to do, or the IGP rather, to do right now. For a very long time, Nigerians are known to be crying over the issue of insecurity in Nigeria. This challenge has and is still affecting Nigerians as people no longer have peace even in their closet, from banditry to kidnapping to cultism to the rate of which criminality is increasing in the country cause for an alarm. Yesterday, it was reported that gunmen suspected to be Fulani herdsmen attacked several communities in Ebonyi State, southeast Nigeria, and killed about 15, including a Methodist priest. Since the attack, several people, especially women, have been declared missing, as increased to 25. What many Nigerians think that happens only in the north has come down to the south, reminding people that no part of the country is safe anymore. Since the massacre in Ebonyi State, several Nigerians have condemned the actions of the alleged Fulani herdsmen, which has become normal in the country. Well, the Southeast senators are fed up with the insistent issue of insecurity and are not taking it kindly or likely this time around. In a statement by the leader of the Southeast Caucus in the Senate, Ike Ikweremadu, the Igbo senators have sent a message to the Inspector General of Police, Muhammad Adamu, charging him to make sure that the evildoers are brought to justice and they must be punished, which hasn't been done to criminals even in the past. The Igbo senators lambasted the President Muhammad Buhari's administration, saying that they have failed in their primary and constitutional duty as leaders of a country which is to protect the lives and properties of Nigerians. The Southeast senators expressed their grief in the massacre in Ebonyi State, mourning with the Ebonyi State government and its people. If they have failed before, why do you think they will now succeed? If they are unable to, bring bring criminality to justice, why should there be a change now in Ebonyi? But let's go to the second news very quickly. Deji Adeyanju has sent an important message to all eastern governors as the country continues to tackle insecurity. It's clear that herdsmen have dominated the southern space, and it's duty of the government to take proactive measures at a crucial moment. At this very crucial moment, earlier yesterday, herdsmen allegedly killed about 15 people, but that has increased to 25. Herdsmen killed 15 people in Ebonyi State, and the governor confirmed the number. This shows that the herdsmen are in carrying out attacks with free will. Speaking about the attack, Deji Adeyanju said the militia are bringing down people in Ebonyi and will and they will go ahead to invade neighboring states if no steps are taken to prevent them. I hope governors of Southeast will wake up. This is very important message for the Southeast governors. They all need to realize that this is how it all started in the north as well. Before you know it, herdsmen would expand their base in Southeast. When that happens, no one will be able to stop them anymore. It's a strong statement, strong worded statement. I just hope that the southeastern governors are listening very quickly. We want to know what this Igbo formula of defense that Ohaneze and Dibo have told Easterners to do. Well, Ohaneze and Dibo has expressed serious worry over the disturbing presence of herdsmen, killer herdsmen in the southeast region of Nigeria. The socio-cultural group especially reacted to the recent activities of some gunmen who came in the guise of cattle rearing and unleashed terror in Adani Uzo, Wani area, Enugu on Tuesday, March 30. Oh, this is serious. In a statement made available on Tuesday, Mazi Oke Chuku Iziguzoro, the group secretary general, linked the attack to fears allegedly raised by United States Embassy that some herdsmen were about to invade the region. Following this, Iziguzoro wondered when the military would begin implementing the President Muhammad Buhari shoot on sight order over bandits and armed criminals. I don't know. He added that with the happenings in Enugu and other nearby states, there is palpable fear in the southeast. Described therefore called on Igbos and local vigilantes to defend themselves against killer herdsmen in a bid to exterminate the menace. His words, whether it is ESN forest guards or local hunters or community vigilante groups or vigilante groups, were ordering them to curb the menace using the Igbo formula of defense. Honestly, I'm wondering which one is Igbo formula of defense. Well, for reasons best known to Igbo, I guess we will not want to dwell too much on that so that we do not expose what the Igbo formula of defense meant. But I'm sure it's a coded message for those who know. They know. Even me, I'm actually very curious to know what it is, but I'd rather keep it silent because if Izu Guzoro wanted the whole world to know what the Igbo formula of defense was, he would have actually broken it down into plain language so that those who do not know what Igbo formula of defense is will know it. But obviously, he wanted it coded and he's keeping it coded. We are going to respect that, that vision, that opinion of his, and we'll actually keep it coded. For those who know, no. Right now, let's look at this news very analytically. Now, the senators are actually screaming and shouting and yelling that security should be paramount. This Buhari-led administration have failed in its primary duty of lives and property. And I laugh and smile in Swahili. Ask me why. When it was happening in the north, they were screaming. The northern senators were screaming, and that's the same place where our president is from. And nothing much was really done. And you expect that there will be a change? Do you think that there will be an improvement if where the president comes from is already ravaging and there seems to be no way to curb it? And you think when it comes to Southeast there will be a meaningful change? Come on, let's not live in fool's paradise. Let's open our eyes and see, just like the Adeyanju is saying, open your eyes, do the needful. In Southwest alone, they have over 5 security outfits. They are Bekoyas, the new one they just recently established from Ogun State. I think they call it Oduwa Security, so I can't remember their code name. We have the OPC, we have the Armored Techo, and we have the local vigilantes, the local hunters. All and much more that I've not even mentioned are all in the southwest, and they are still bringing more. And southeast had only Eastern Security Network, forest guards, and one or two local vigilantes. Even the Eastern Security Network, they practically frowned at their activities. I guess they need to put everybody, old, young, sleeping, babies, everybody needs to be involved in security issue. If they had known, they would have allowed ESN to at least be their last man standing in the issue of security. Well, what do I know? Let's see the comment.